So Ames, House of Monarch last year was such a success with that total home reno that we're doing it again.
Yeah, and this time it's a little bit different. We're going to be helping Aussie families renovate their homes.
So many people have been reaching out to us for handy tips and tricks to help them with their paint projects, and we thought we'd show them how easy it really is.
We've got so many exciting spaces we're going to help them transform.
Got an outdoor backyard, it's really underutilised.
A tired old bathroom that needs a little bit of love.
We've got a kitchen that we're going to refresh and modernise.
There's even a garage that we can do a bit of decluttering in.
A rumpus room that we're going to turn into an amazing entertainment room.
We'll even look at some open plan living areas that will transform and add a little bit of colour.
And we've got some upcycling projects with some popular furniture pieces.
It's amazing what the right tools and some paint can do for any home.
We got a lot to do. Let's get started.